into this. Wow, cute. Hey, cute. Hey, Maximus. Hey guys, I'm gonna go ahead and teach y'all how to make this watermelon juice. It's actually pretty good. You know, I like it. And so yeah, stay tuned and you'll find out. It's like super smooth. Look at that. I'm making a video on the making watermelon juice.
Can you make sure that everything's clean before you do that?
Really?
If we're making a video, make sure there's no dishes, nothing that looks dishes.
It won't show the dishes.
It doesn't matter. I'm just telling you, you need to do that.
What are you talking about? Mom, this is all Natalie that she did not do. Like,
So you can help out and clean, holy crap.
I don't want to help her.
Fine, then you're gonna go do all the bathrooms upstairs and downstairs and the tub.
I've done that before.
I don't care. You're gonna help out. It's not like you help with that. Come on.
Ah, I'm dropping watermelon.
See what I mean? All you need to do is clean up before you start.
That wouldn't have prevented me from dropping watermelon.
This is what happens.
No, it wouldn't have.
This is what happens. You're gonna miss it first.
I'm not stressed. You're stressed.
I'm taking.
Then why are you the one yelling?
I'm not your yelling. See? This is
I just have a loud voice. So anyways, we're going to go ahead and cut up the watermelon and put it into this bowl. So yeah, basically what I did is like slice it.
Did you clean it?
No,
Well, then how are you doing?
because I'm not even filming the sink.
Who are you talking to?
The camera.
There's nobody there.
No, there's nobody there right now. Okay. So yeah, like I said, just kind of cutting up the watermelon and putting it into a bowl.
Did I clean it?
Yeah, so sometimes the knife doesn't get everything, so I also get a spoon and scrape it into there. Because it just helps to get everything. And yeah, you're 10 out of 10 gonna get watermelon juice on you because I've got it all over me right now.
El size, you know what? Las bling bling quería dos medianas.
Bling bling.
You know.
So funny as shit.
Okay, so yeah, basically we have one medium large size bowl of watermelon, and we're gonna go ahead and put this in the blender and blend that up and then strain it, and then go ahead and take the other half of the watermelon and blend that up and strain that as well. So let's go ahead and...
You talking to honey?
No, I'm talking to the camera! The people who don't exist right now, Mom!
The people that didn't see the
Yes, those people.
they might want to see the sink now.
Do y'all want to see the sink? Here.
You need to clean that sink up.
This is our dirty, dirty sink.
At least that's seriously, you gotta clean that up. You're not putting that up.
I'm making you watermelon juice. This is literally for you. You keep on. You're literally complaining during this entire thing. I have a video of you like coming over here. You're being like, "What the hell is this, Alyssa? Why isn't the sink clean?" Blah, 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 blah. It's just from last
I
night.
don't care. Clean it up. You're gonna be in that area. Clean it up.
I'm just
I
using
don't
this.
care. I don't care. Clean it up.
You laugh, but then you're not gonna have any, and you're gonna say, "Why can't I have any?" And I'll play this video back for you.
That's why. You're terrible.
You're laughing more.
Yes.
I'm literally laughing with you.
So basically, like, filled up this entire thing, watermelon. So we're gonna go ahead and put on the cap, but we're missing part of this. So I'm just gonna go ahead and fill it in with this.
You're not prepared. You're supposed to prepare.
I tried to prepare and I couldn't find it, so I'm just gonna go ahead and.
Hang on.
I was looking for it. It's not in there and it's not in here.
The glass tops of the blender.
Oh, I don't know. Not black.
Plastic.
Pretty sure. Yeah, it's
Whatever.
like a little. So I was just gonna use that to fill the space.
Does that fill it? Yes, it does.
I didn't even know what to put the spin speed on. We're gonna put it on 2. See what happens. What did you do?
Chug it up.
Oh, I thought you were making a face. Dang it! Is it leaking?
It is now.
You have to wash it, take care of that before you start anything. Okay, anyway.
All right. Well, now you're gonna take it over to the sink.
The dirty sink.
The dirty sink.
This is why you wash the sink stuff the sink. Oh my god.
Hold on. Let me show y'all Mom's craft room because she keeps this organized.
There is a reason why it's not organized. Creativity.
Well, you know what? Sometimes you get creative in the kitchen. So don't come over here attacking me in my place. So once we do that, we have our pitcher here. We have a lid. No, pitcher, not a picture.
You're a mess.
Alright, so you're going to get a strainer and strain out the pulp from the watermelon so then the juice is a lot more smooth. You're welcome. I'm giving you non-pulpy watermelon juice.
Oh, I like either one, but thank you.
Thank you, Tony.
Right? Okay, and so then it's gonna do its thing. So you're gonna shake it out and then move it around. That's also why you have the spoon to scrape the stuff on the bottom and move it around, like I just said. My what? We're gonna go ahead and put the pulp in a different bowl. So let me get a bowl. So now I'm back with this little bowl. And we're gonna go ahead and put the pulp in here. It looks a little bit like cherry Kool-Aid.
In the clean bowl?
Yes, in a clean bowl.
Okay.
Aren't you supposed to be eating healthy? Isn't that the reason? It's not the reason I'm making watermelon juice. It's because I also want some watermelon juice, but...
Wait, but you're taking so long that I can't have to eat something else.
I was gonna say we can have fruit, but I ate all the fruit as well. So I did. I finished it this morning. I was like, "Who ate all the fruit?" Mom goes, "That's you." I was like, "You're right." I know.
Who pooped in his yard?
All right. So that is 1/2 of a watermelon. We're gonna go ahead and do the entire watermelon. Take our pitcher. Ooh, margaritas. I didn't even say all that right. Okay, so basically you're going to take your pitcher and the bowl, pour the stuff from the bowl into the pitcher, and then we're going to go ahead and repeat this process again. So, like half a watermelon, it was honestly a little less than half, makes about a quart. So we're going to take the other half and make the other half of a quart. I feel like that looks so cool. I like fruit. Okay. Y'all, I'm talking to y'all this time. YouTube?
Why?
What do you mean why? Where else would I post it? Okay. So, now we're taking this watermelon and putting it back in the bowl. Doing this process for a very long time. This recipe is going to require like a whole watermelon after seeing all of this. So the difference between this and the, I guess, like other watermelon juices and stuff is because you strained it, it's going to taste a lot smoother and it just tastes better that way. So yeah, and then let's put it in the fridge. Hey Natalie, thank you for washing the dishes.
You're welcome.
This isn't relevant to you now, but you'll see why it's relevant later, okay? Okay. So that's my watermelon juice. It's actually super, super smooth and tastes really good. So if you add spearmint in, it tastes more minty. We just have spearmint growing in the backyard like all over, so I kind of add spearmint and everything. But yeah, so that's how you make this watermelon juice. I hope y'all enjoy, and if y'all do, let me know. If y'all don't, you know, that's fine. Look at this. Yeah, cute.